What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. Now, I understand it's been a minute since I've done a video, but we got another one for you today. Probably be a real quick video. What I need to do is install window struts on the foxbody Mustang. The back trunk, the shock absorbers that hold the trunk up, they went out. And man, that trunk is heavy as hell. I've been dealing with it. I've been had these struts for some time now. Got them off Amazon. So now it's time that I install them and quit playing around. I ain't doing nothing else. It's kind of cold outside, but it's a beautiful day nonetheless. So we got these bad boys over here, all nice and friendly in the box. And we need to open them and see what's in it. Like I said, I've been had these bad boys for months. I hope it's even what I need. Okay. I'm sure this is real exciting for some of y'all. Not many. But hey, sometimes it's the simple stuff that people need to see the most. And so these are the struts right here. Like I said, I really hope they're supposed to fit. I did a video where I changed these out on my Jeep Compass, and everybody thought I was talking about wheel struts. No, trunk struts. These are these bad boys right here. As you can see, they look pretty good. Should be a pretty simple install. So when you installing these, really all you're doing is popping them off and popping these back on. It's as simple as that. The problem is the trunk is so heavy, so you got to figure out how you're going to keep the trunk up without it falling down and you busting your shit. So yeah, so I got to figure out how I'm going to do that. I think I got some wood that I'm going to use, and hopefully I can hold it up with that, but we gonna see. Okay. So in case you guys are ever wondering how to do it, all you do is you pop that off, pop that up like that. Can you see it? Pop that up like that and just pull it off. This one is the same way. And when you put it back on, the new one on, you pop it up and then you click it down and it's in there. It's like a 5-minute job. A 5-minute job that I'm recording. And my battery's about to go dead. So let's do this side. And of course, you're gonna always have one that don't want to act right. So in that scenario, I can't get it down far enough. So in that scenario, all you gotta do is remove these 2 screws, take the whole thing out, and do it that way. It's more than one way to skin a cat. See? Now we just took the whole thing out. Shit. Simple as that. Pretty easy when you got room to work with. Since we're here, you may as well put it on. Put the new one on. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And look at that, folks. The trunk is sitting up on its own weight. Boom. Took about 15 minutes to install. So basically, now I need to fire this bitch up because I ain't started it up forever while I'm thinking about it. So let's do that. I know y'all want to hear a cold start. Or no. Maybe you don't. Boom. Look at that. Boom. Pops back up. We'll set it like that. I still need to hook this horn up too. I ain't did that yet. I knew that was gonna do that. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be it. I really just wanted to give y'all a quick install video. It's the first video of 2021, and I need to get those window struts on. I've been putting it off and putting it off forever. So go ahead. Damn, I can't get out. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep going in 2021. I have no idea what I'm gonna do next. Maybe I'll talk about that in the next video. Peace.